Hey, welcome to IT Club. Today I'll teach you HTML. This is your very first tutorial of the series HTML tutorials. It is for beginners. First of all, I'll give you introduction about HTML. HTML markup language, a standard system for tagging text files to achieve font, color, graphics, and hyperlink effects on World Wide Web in www pages. HTML was very first created in late 1991, but HTML 2.0 was the first standard HTML specification which was published in 1995. While HTML 4.01 was a major version of HTML and it was published in late 1999. Though HTML 4.01 version is widely used, but currently we are having HTML5 version which is an extension of HTML 4.01, and this is the version was published in 2012. First of all, I will just teach you about the HTML 4.01 version. The reason is it that HTML5 is just a little bit extension of that. So the second slide is about the editors, that in which editor or in which software you can edit your or you can write the HTML code. So here it is Notepad++, Atom, brackets, Sublime, Vim, etc. There are multiple. So you can use any, but I like Sublime Text, so I will use the Sublime Text. So in this tutorial we will study and we will learn about HTML tags, elements, attributes, and formatting. Here we go to the Sublime Text. Here, this is HTML head. Basically, first of all, I want to let you know that from here HTML starts. This is the HTML tag. This is the HTML opening tag. This is the HTML closing tag. So after that we create a head in it. So what head do we write? Title in head and other styles are head. This is the closing tag of head. Head. So in it we can write title. Title is what that is shown in the browser. For example, I write here basic tags, comma, elements, comma, attributes, comma, and formatting. Here I will close the title tag, title. So here is head. So after head the body tag starts. In body we write everything in our code we write in the body, the color, formatting, etc. We will discuss it later on. First we have to understand the syntax or its structure as well. Body. So I already have pre-written code. Just to save your time, I already have copied that code, and I will just control V. I will paste it. You have to write it by your own self. This is code that I have written, so just to save your time. So in your very first area, here we go for body. The very first that I have to let you know, those are the headings are h1, h2, h3, h4, and h5. So in the same way they have also the closing tags. So the next term is, let me make you more bolded for you. Yeah, I think it's fine. The second tag that I have to teach you, that is paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is P, and it has a also closing tag. This is opening tag, and the n other is closing tag. So in paragraph tag, what you do, listen, I have used here three tags for the paragraph tag. So by doing it, every line will be created newly for the new paragraph. If I remove all the tags except one paragraph tag, this will be only in one line. So the second is break the line. If I want to break the line in my paragraph, I can also use here break row forward slash and br. So by doing it, this line will be uh, moved to the next line from here. So this was the break line. We can also use it for the break row. If you want to make your content in the center, this is the center tag that is used for this purpose, center. If you want to make your picture, your text, your table, anything in the center of your web page, you can use this tag. This is a very good and best practice. So the next one is horizontal row. If you want to create a horizontal row, that size can be 10, that size can be 50. It is up to you that at which level the line you want to create, or at of which width the line you want to create. So here are some HTML elements. The next thing is HTML elements. This is italic. Italic is I. It also have a closing tag. This is heading, as I mentioned earlier in my very first verse. So this is an underline tag U, and as we also know, this is the paragraph tag. We will view it when we will move towards the browser. So here we go. These are the attributes of the paragraph tag. If we want to make our context, our text or our content in center, right or left, we can use this. In paragraph opening tag p, align equal to left, align equal to center, or align equal to right. This text will be moved accordingly as we will want to. So here it is a style. Basically this is also used in the paragraph tag, or in any opening tag. This style can be used. Style, this is also known as inline styling. It is a property, or it is an information of CSS. We will also discuss in our CSS series. So style, we can apply style on our content, on our text, by also doing it in paragraph. Style is declared, and these are its properties. Font family Arial, its color is red. We can also use here the hexadecimal code instead of red, or any other color we can use here. Okay, here for further information, I also have used center, just to make it center. This hole will be in center. This will be in the center. So it will bold, it will underline, it will italic. These are the formatting text. We will also discuss these formatting styles or formatting tags in detail after some time. Direction of the text. If you want to make your direction of the text right to left, we can use here RTL, right to left, but I will use left to right. It will use in the left to right, sorry. So it is HTML. It will use in the HTML tag. It is direction, dir. It is a keyword, so equal to in inverted commas LTR. Now here we go for the further formatting. This word uses a bold in typeface, bold B, italicized at I, underlined U, strike through, monospaced, superscript, and the next thing is to delete. And what it will do, it will simply create a horizontal line in your text. I mean, the word delete will have a line through it, so it is underlined. Same, the ins works like the underline tag. So here we go for the further. It is big, it is small. So these are all things we use in HTML. So my main purpose was to show you, to save your time and give you much and more information about HTML for HTML beginning. So for that, all the data is saved somewhere. Okay, so for that, what we'll do, I will simply file, save as. It is not, yeah, it is save as. I will save it with different name. Somewhere I choose its location. Yeah, this is desktop, and I will save with the same name: basic tags, elements, attributes, and formatting dot html. Check, I have used this extension dot html. I will save it. That is saved. So when I will go to my desktop, here is my desktop, this file I have saved. So I will right click it, open it with any browser. Yeah, here we go. These were the headings. this these all were the headings: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. It was the paragraph tag that I used here, this one. So I used here the break row. Let me show you the code. I used here the break row. Check it. I used here the break row. So it just breaks the line from there, from here. Yeah. So the next one is break line or break row I used here. It is, hi, you subscribe this channel, have you or not? If you haven't, please subscribe this channel. Please subscribe it for more videos. Thank you, IT Club. It was used by it was formatted with the help of HR. Sorry, with the break row BR tag. So to make your content in the center, I just applied code center on on this text. It is in the center. So this is the horizontal line of 50 pixels. Check this one. This is the line. So the next one is HTML elements. This was heading h1, so it was italic. You can check it. Yeah, this one, h1 heading, and this was italic, and this was the underlined paragraph. The next one was the attributes. This was left aligned, this was center aligned, this was right aligned. So all this text is in the center, as I have applied here something. Sorry, these are our attributes. This one. So here we go. It was you can check, it was underlined, it was italic. Okay, it was the direction of the text that I use, that it will be right to left. So the next one is bold. Just check me why all that is in the center. Just let me check it. Oh, this center is applied on all over there, and I haven't given here the forward slash. Now this portion will only in the center. I will save it, Control S, or you can use here from save. Now refresh this browser. Yeah, I was just willing to make it in center, but unfortunately it was applied on all. So direction of the text will be, as I mentioned earlier, it will be right to left. And if I apply here LTR RTL, Control S, refresh it. Yeah, this text is now from right to left, but it is not looking good. I'll just make it LTR, right to, sorry, left to right. So the next is, as I mentioned earlier, it is all about the formatting that I mentioned earlier. Now I'll just refresh it. Oh, I haven't saved it. Control S, browser, refresh it. It is in the form of left to right direction. It was strike through. Okay, it was monospaced, it was superscript, it will delete, it will underline. As I mentioned, it will big, it will small. So it is a video. So please subscribe my channel and like this video for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.